Good afternoon, BraveHearts. At least it's afternoon in Australia right now. Simran and I are walking back from our lunch break, coffee break, during day 6 of Wolfe Non Surgical. There are so many beautiful people in this course releasing emotional issues in their tissues and physical blocks and working on themselves. And we are working the shoulder and elbow today.
Yeah, so tomorrow is our day off and everyone kind of gets to relax from all the intense body work they've been experiencing over the last 6 days. Then we come back and we go into the more advanced body parts, so the pelvis and abdomen, breasts and face. The pelvis and abdomen specifically, again, come down to your holy grail. And we teach a pelvic course. We're doing it in Australia, September 4th, 5th, and 6th. And if any of you ladies out there want to learn how to start taking your health into your own hands, or get this work done to feel the relief you can get just from having non-surgical, and then also be taught if you want a consultation, Perfect Day Consultation, I do that as well. And we can teach you how to live pain-free and take your health into your own hands. So we encourage you to come check us out at bhnuniversity.com for dates and locations. We're in Australia right now. We will be Bonita Springs, Florida will be our last stop of the year in October. So if you'd like to come join us there, that will be lots of fun. And yeah, we have to get back to class now, but we hope you have a beautiful day. And if any of you have any questions, you can message me or WhatsApp message me or Telegram me at 705-984-1699. And yeah, we can answer any questions, get you signed up for courses, or just give you more information if you're looking for it. Talk to you later.